how to use portfolios on Asana, and this is about to be really helping you about it. That is still to be really defining by its project and by the situation. That can be really defined by very important situation that is still really to be going on through the progress that I started to see. In my opinion, that should be really defined it by this situation. On click on portfolios and then create a new portfolio, which is really about to select the project that you wanted to add to the portfolio, and use the portfolio to track progresses and manage related projects for that. So we're gonna here for the portfolio click on create one, and then start to add it like timeline, like WordPad, and start to add any time of name GHI, and start to click on continue. Go to portfolio and start to add your new portfolio. Use it as status, task, progress, due data on anything, and that is all about to help you.